Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World, the Off-Grid Project, and many other sites now. Also DIY Tube video community, and now where I'm sitting, Sari Sari shop in Gaylord, Michigan. Well, haven't done much video recently, but that's going to change because we have, as you all know, most of you know, we had a little shop around the corner, and after 2 weeks we realized that was going to be too small for us. So we quickly moved over here, and we've been working full blast, long late hours getting this place set up. Well, we've still been setting it up in this last week here. It has been a lot of work, and I'll give you a little overview, but I don't want to overrun this channel with stuff about the Sari Sari shop. So we'll keep it brief today, let you know what's been going on, and let you know that the Sari Sari shop has its own YouTube site now and DIY tube channel. So you can go and subscribe to either one. I'll put the links down below to the YouTube channel or the DIY tube channel, whichever you prefer. Sari Sari shop has its own channel, and the idea is we're going to go through the store and we're going to pick various products, and we'll discuss with you what the product is, how to use the product. We'll do some recipes and some home cooking with the products in our store, and we'll do taste tests and product reviews. I'm very excited about this because we've been experimenting with these products here a lot recently, and I just can't wait to get the videos going and start sharing with you our experiences. There's so many different flavors and experiences here on our shelves alone that we want to share with you. It's just so exciting. And we're going to link, so for every product we have, we'll do a video eventually with time, and then we'll link that video on the product page on our store, on the online store as well. So it's going to be really fun and exciting. Somebody suggested we do, Michelle tries to talk over me. Somebody suggested we do monthly packs where we do a recipe and we show it on video, and then we pack up the foods in a box and mail it. Maybe we can get to that, but it's going to take us some time to get established here and wind down and get into a normal routine again. But it is something on my list. I think it'd be really fun, and I do hope to get into that. The store itself is really fun. We're having a great time here, and just like I said, sampling the things, I just really want to share it with you. It's really exciting. So we'll be doing that on Sari Sari Shop Michigan on YouTube. So if you type in SARI Shop Michigan, you'll find our YouTube channel. But I'll put the links down below, and also for DIY Tube. So we have been working a lot of hours, long late hours, to get everything in here. I finally got all the products up, and it was a job to find places for all the products because we had boxes and boxes and boxes of stuff. I wanted everything off the floor. I wanted everything at least up on the shelves, even the surplus stuff at least on top. Finished up the coffee bar, got a fridge and freezer in here. I'll do a brief overview and walkthrough, but again, we'll keep that brief. Back in the homestead, we do plan on doing the off-grid video series, how to get off the grid for $5,000 or less. That is planned. I've also got some products here that I've got to finish reviewing and talking about. We'll get back to the weekly giveaways. Sorry that fell by the wayside temporarily because of the full blast work we've done here in the stores. We had the first store, now the second store. So it's been busy, and we are getting back to work now. So what else? The homestead, oh boy. It might freeze again tonight, so we haven't planted yet. We can't. What are you going to do? I'm worried that it's going to freeze again tonight, so we're just waiting. We can't do a thing till June 1st. Meanwhile, though, the weeds, they could care less about the frost, and they just are taking over. So I might have to till, or I might have to put cardboard down over the whole garden, and then put mulch over that, and then punch holes through the cardboard for seeds. I don't know, I'm not sure, but it is overrun, and the weeds just started growing as soon as the snow was gone. It's those sour, I forgot, sorrel or something like that. It's a relative of the sorrel plant. And they have runners underground. They've already gone to seed already, which means more and more and more and more and more, and it's just a nightmare out there. So, I don't know. I want to get the greenhouse going. Anyway, we hope to be getting onto a normal routine and being on the homestead every day and getting a lot more videos going. So let me give you a walk around here and show you what's been going on and what's planned, and we'll wrap it up. First of all, I did finish the wall, and the gate works perfect by the sink, so that turns out very well. I saved as much as I could of the wall, and over here on the side of the desk I'm putting another section of my recycled wall up here to hold the desk stable and steady. Now I got some tools and equipment out. It's a bit messy. We've put some jewelry and stuff in the glass display cabinets. We're still working on this corner because I've got a new section of shelves up that I just built yesterday. Now I did not do that on video because you've watched me build this section. I think that's enough. So I put that up yesterday. That's 7 foot high by 2 feet wide by 8 feet long, and I still have to get the drop-in boards and a couple more 2x3s. It's 2x3. It's 2x4 uprights and 2x3 framing, and I miscalculated. I have to get 3 more 2x3s to finish this, and then it looks like it's going to take, I think, 3. Let me see, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. It's going to take 3 sheets of plywood to do these shelves. So it's going to really expand our capabilities here. Now, we're 50-50 on keeping this or not, these display cabinets. Some people suggest getting rid of them because they don't match the wood. Some people suggest putting the wood over the front of them and keeping them for storage. And I don't know. I'm trying to figure out, and some people suggest keeping them. Now it's family members, friends, and whatever. So I'm not sure, but right now we're going to leave it as is. And when we fill these shelves and it's too much product for the shelves we have, I have exactly 8 feet of space left here to put another shelf just like that. And I've left it so I can tie in if I want to, right here. So I've set it up so I can tie right in to this, making them one unit for strength. So for now we're going to leave it as is, everything, and then as we expand and grow and need more space for products, we can run that shelf all the way to the back corner. So there's that. I have also got the security system. I know some people prefer not to share that you have a security system, but I want you to know so that people are aware of it, and I'd rather not have people come in and cause us trouble at all. Let them know it's here so that they stay away. So I've got 4 cameras so far and 2 more I'm putting up. And basically the aisles, I've got every aisle is covered completely and perfectly. There's no blind spots. And then the two extra are going on the desk area for safety, and then I've got another one at the door. So there's no way anybody's going to get in here and do anything without us seeing them and getting a good shot of their face. That's great. So everything is safe and secure now. Every single spot in the place is covered, and there's no hidden areas. So I feel good about that. Now we've got freezers and refrigerators we're putting together. I know they're small, but you got to start out somewhere. We are starting out. We're going to get some frozen products and some refrigerated products because it's very popular. We've got some mini freezers, a fridge, a bigger freezer. Anyway, it's a start, and we're going to get some of those products because they're in high demand. Oh, Michelle just finished her breakfast. Okay, thank you. Put your spoon in there. Alright, thank you. I gotta go wash some hands. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project, and we will be back to to homestead and normal daily videos, but please do check out Sari Sari Shop, Gaylord, Michigan, or Sari Sari Shop Michigan on YouTube, and subscribe. Stay tuned for updates, and from now on everything about Sari Sari Shop will be on its own channel. And don't forget to click the bell icons to get notifications. And it's gonna be fun. I'm excited. Talk to y'all later.